In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Yoast SEO free. If you're looking to improve your website's SEO without spending a dime, Yoast SEO is one of the best tools out there. And today, I'll guide you through its setup and use to get your site optimized efficiently. Let's dive in and start with the basics. First, we need to install and activate the Yoast SEO plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, where you'll navigate to the Plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, simply type in Yoast SEO and you'll see it pop up in the list of results. Once you find it, click Install Now. After installation, make sure you click Activate to get the plugin up and running. You'll notice that a new menu item labeled SEO will appear in your dashboard. You'll be using this quite a bit to manage your SEO settings and customize it to your liking. Now that we have Yoast installed, let's run the configuration wizard to get it set up for your specific site needs. Click on SEO in your dashboard, then General, and from there, select the Begin Configuration Wizard. This tool will guide you through a series of prompts to tailor Yoast to fit your website perfectly. You'll identify your site type and let Yoast know if it's representing an individual or an organization. Next, you will enter your social media profile links, which help enhance your site's connection with these platforms. It's also crucial to indicate which types of content should be indexed by search engines and whether you'd like to enable author archives. Note that single-author sites often disable this feature. By doing this, you're helping Yoast, and by extension, search engines, understand your site more comprehensively. With the configuration complete, it's time to optimize your individual pages and posts. When you're editing a page or a post, scroll down to the Yoast SEO meta box. Here, you'll enter a focus key phrase that best represents the content of your page. Click Edit Snippet to customize the SEO title and meta description. Remember, your meta description should be around 120 to 155 characters for best results. Yoast will provide feedback under the SEO analysis and readability analysis sections. Follow these suggestions to refine your content for better visibility and engagement. Finally, we move on to Yoast's intuitive traffic light system, which gives you real-time feedback on your SEO performance. A green light means all is well, while an orange light suggests there are areas for improvement. If you see a red light, it indicates that there are major issues that need addressing. This might involve better placement of your target keywords, adding internal or external links, or enhancing readability by tweaking sentences and headings. This system is a fantastic way to ensure that your content is optimized and ready to rank well. And there you have it. By using these simple steps, you can effectively leverage Yoast SEO's free features to improve your website's search engine performance. Remember to keep checking back with Yoast's feedback as you create new content to maintain optimized page performance. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing.